Hello everyone. Are you preparing for Civil Services Examination 2027? You have 15 months to go. Good enough time. But most of the aspirants will not even be able to clear preliminary examination in 2027. Why would it be so? It would be there because all of us make some basic common mistakes in our preparation right from day one. What are these mistakes? How to avoid them? Let's discuss these. On 4th of January 2026 at 5 p.m. I'll be taking a webinar where we'll be discussing these mistakes and how to avoid them. If you are someone who wants to be fully prepared for this examination in the very first attempt, join me on 4th of January. The link for the registration of the webinar is provided in the description of this video. Do register and I'll see you all on 4th. Thank you very much.